Week 12, and it's time to start gluing this boat. I will glue bulkhead 3, 4 and transom, let it dry, and then level the boat, make sure it's straight as it is now, and I'll wait till tomorrow. And tomorrow I will do bulkheads 2, 1 and stem. The reason being, I'm alone, I can't do all it in one go, and I only have a couple hours today as well. I'm going to try to do it without taking the boat apart again. So basically I'm going to take bulkhead 3 off, put some glue in it, and then put it back in place and screw it. I put some guides, as you can see there. That way I know when I put it back in, I can screw back into the same holes again. That's the plan anyway. From the moment I started getting everything ready, putting the guides, the clamps, mixing the epoxy to fitting this, and now cleaning it, it took me almost an hour. That's a lot of time. Let's do bulkhead 4. When I removed bulkhead 4, the shine logs closed, so I'm going to put this underneath with clamps to keep this in place as it is now with the bulkhead 4 there, so when I remove it, it doesn't squeeze too much. Otherwise I'm going to have a hard time putting it in there with the glue. So let's try it. That's better. I mixed 24 grams of resin and it's almost all there. Probably half will be squeezed out, like it was on bulkhead 3. I mixed 50 grams for that, and once I had cleaned everything, the squeeze outs and everything, I had 23 grams left on the cup. So, oh, there go my gloves again. So bulkhead 4 didn't go as planned, but it's in. It's all leveled again. bulkhead 3, 4 and the transom are in place, glued, and have dried for 36 hours because I couldn't do any work yesterday. So I'm now going to take care of bulkhead 2 and 1 and the stem. The boat is in nice shape. I don't want to take it all apart again. So I'm going to remove bulkhead 2 and 1, then fit bulkhead 2, because if I do one first, one will force the shine logs even harder against bulkhead 2. This is pushing the gunnels outwards, so I can fit the bulkheads easier. Once they're in place and I've put a couple of screws, I will then remove it. I hope you guys can see this, because these have been cut too much. Now the plywood has like a kink, a bend, like that. Same on this side. So I'm going to put a wedge in there. I removed the screws. That one, the one I had on the shine logs. I think that looks better. I'm going to fill that now with some epoxy here, just so when I take the wedge tomorrow, this won't go back in. I glued bulkhead 2, bulkhead 1 and the stem. I'm going to replace these gunnels tomorrow because one of them has a really weird grain, so it's actually cracked there. So I had to put a clamp and a bit of wood to reinforce it for now. Look at the grain here. It doesn't matter what I do, because the grain is going like that, it will always break. If I glue here, then it will break on the next one, and I'll glue and it's going to break on the next one. So I have to replace this piece. Weird grain. Need to go online and see how others have finished this, because I don't want this so sharp here. I want it more round. Ready, dude? Okay, ready. And that's it, guys. Boat's turned upside down now. I'm glad me could help me turn it around. Now seriously, my younger brother came in and helped me. Don't try to turn it on your own. Probably won't end up well. I worked only 8 or 9 hours this week. Didn't have much time to put on the build. Next week I'll try to finish the bottom and then turn it upright again. I'll see you guys next week.